Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to all of you present here. Today I like to speak a short speech on Independence Day. Today we gather here for celebrating 78th Independence Day of our great nation India. On this day, in 1947, India achieved freedom after struggle and prisons. We knew this day that the countless souls had sacrificed their lives for our country's freedom. And led by great Indian iconic identities and our Muslim leaders like Muhammad Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Muhammad Maulana Shaukat Ali, and many more. Independence Day is not just a day for a political freedom, it is a day for remembering the values of justice, unity, equality at the core of our Indian hearts. In these 78 years, India achieved great freedom in science, technology, education, health and defense. The journey is never without an obstacle, but we have to remember our responsibility to secure the nation.